In 2012, we enacted the Pharmaceutical Services Act. In that, we had the opportunity to write new regulations. The drug price regulation gives us the opportunity and the ability to regulate how much we will pay in British Columbia under Pharmacare for generic drugs.
The drug price regulation allows our team to go out to the generic community of manufacturers to request that they must meet the new regulated price of 20% of the brand product. We've worked collaboratively with these stakeholders and the manufacturers and been able to bring them down to these prices, which has resulted in the province and being able to achieve greater than $110 million of drug cost savings.
The Pharmaceutical Services Act was enacted in May of 2012, and the drug price regulation, which was the first regulation under that act, was enacted in November of 2012. So we had 6 months to develop and get the regulation passed. We were very fortunate to have a seasoned team of policy analysts on staff. We brought together our policy analysts with the business analysts in the business management supplier relations branch. This resulted in well-informed policy that formed the basis of our regulation.
This initiative was instrumental for our division. It allowed us to find a way to save additional money through our drug budget. There's new innovative drugs that have just come out to the market. With the savings, we can now offset and cover some of the incremental costs that are required to provide these new innovative drugs.
It is more than just what Pharmacare pays out, so what government spends on the drug. So there's also the effect it has on what patients pay out of pocket. Even patients that aren't necessarily covered by Pharmacare, we're still helping ensure a lower price for what they pay at the till at a pharmacy.
This regulation also included almost every other part of the division and many other parts of the ministry. So it's been a great collaboration.
I'm so proud of the fact that we could mobilize a team of experts to put informed questions to stakeholders and make recommendations that led to a regulation that arguably make drug prices the lowest in Canada.